One last thing. The groupies need to accept that this is no longer the Ronaldo of Manchester United and Real Madrid. Die tyd mas oud. En julle wil hom nog op live support hou en die hoop het van in hy arrogance, he's back, he scored a hat-trick against Spain, Messi scored a hat-trick against a team we don't know. Kom terug, kom by, is klaar. Soos dit klaar is vir Messi, is dit klaar vir Ronaldo. Messi is just enjoying his football, that's all, and he's giving his last. Maar julle force nou 'n ding because julle lewe in hy bubble in. And you need to get out of it. No, go for counseling.